Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will be sharing a tutorial on how to use Afterpay on Temu. Firstly, open the Afterpay app and log in to your account. Once you have opened your Afterpay account, you can search for Temu in the search bar. Since Temu is supported by Afterpay, you should be able to find it in the search results. After clicking on Temu, you will be redirected to the Temu website through the Afterpay app. And now that you are on the Temu website, you can add any item to your cart and proceed to checkout. Under Payment Methods, you will see that Afterpay is available as one of the payment options. Just select Afterpay and complete your transaction. And I hope this video was helpful in showing how easy it is to use Afterpay on Temu. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video.